Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The Prajapati first begot Suyagya in the womb of his wife Akuti, and then Suyagya begot demigods, headed by Suyama, in the womb of his wife Dakshina. Suyagya, as the Indradev, diminished very great miseries in the three planetary systems, upper, lower, and intermediate, and because he so diminished the miseries of the universe, he was later called Hari by the great father of mankind, namely Swayambhuva Manu. In order to guard against the invention of unauthorized incarnations of God by the fanciful, less intelligent persons, the name of the father of the bona fide incarnation is also mentioned in the authorized revealed scriptures. No one, therefore, can be accepted as an incarnation of the Lord if his father's name, as well as the name of the village or place in which he appears, is not mentioned by the authorized scriptures. In the Bhagavad Puran, the name of the Kalki incarnation, which is to take place in almost 400,000 years, is mentioned along with the name of his father and the name of the village in which he will appear. A sane man, therefore, does not accept any cheap edition of an incarnation without reference to the authorized scriptures.